What if your pet needed a $4,000 surgery tomorrow? Could you pay for it? This is a situation most people don't really like to think about until they're staring down a huge bill and can't afford to pay it. To give you a real example, one of my close friends once had a golden retriever who needed surgery after swallowing a toy. The bill came out to $4,500, but because they didn't have insurance at the time, it all went on a credit card. If they had picked the right plan earlier, they would have paid closer to $700 out of pocket. Seeing this up close was one of the moments that showed me how valuable pet insurance really is. To make sure you never end up in that spot, I'm breaking down everything you need to know about pet insurance and what the best pet insurance companies are that can save you thousands of dollars on vet bills and give you peace of mind when it comes to your pet's health. The truth is, vet bills are expensive and they're getting worse every year. The cost of vet services rose about 6.2% year over year from 2023 to 2024, which is still well above general inflation. Average claims may be in the hundreds, but some emergencies can climb into the tens of thousands. It's clearly a problem, with recent Gallup data showing that about 52% of people have skipped or delayed care because of cost. Here's why insurance matters. For one, it could turn a potential life or death decision based on money into an obvious yes to saving your pet. If your pet's complications end up in the tens of thousands, insurance can cover most, if not all, of the bill, which means instead of being stuck with the full bill, you would only have to pay a few thousand. That's the difference between pets getting the care they need and owners making heartbreaking decisions. So here's what you should look for in a good plan. Reimbursement rate. Most pet insurance companies let you choose a rate often between 70 and 90% of your eligible vet bill. Higher means you get more back. Waiting period. This is how long until your coverage begins. Coverage limits. Annual, per condition, or lifetime caps. In simple terms, these are limits on how much the insurance company will pay. An annual cap is the maximum they'll cover in 1 year. A per condition cap is the maximum for a specific case. And a lifetime cap is the maximum they'll ever pay over your pet's entire life. Wellness add-ons, things like shots, dental cleaning, or checkups, pre-existing conditions. Most of the time, these are not covered, which, by the way, is why you should sign up as early as possible. Direct pay versus reimbursement. Unlike human insurance, vets don't deal with most pet insurance companies. Most companies require you to pay the vet first, then get reimbursed. A few exceptions exist. Healthy Paws can sometimes pay your vet directly if arranged in advance. Progressive via Pets Best offers vet direct pay, and Pumpkin recently launched Pumpkin Now to cover urgent costs up front. Age limits. Some companies won't let you enroll older pets, so check before your pet reaches senior years. Let's kick it off with Spot. Here are the pros. Spot covers accidents and illnesses. You can add preventative care if you want. They give you access to a 24/7 vet helpline. They also give you a 10% discount if you have multiple pets. You can visit any licensed vet in the United States or Canada. They have no network restrictions. There are no lifetime caps. There is no upper age limit for enrollment, and you don't even need a vet exam to get started. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee if you're not satisfied. Now here are the cons. Spot does not pay your vet directly. You have to pay the vet first, then get reimbursed. Preventative care is also not standard, so you have to add it as an option. The average cost of Spot is around $57 a month, depending on your pet's breed and age. Next up is Healthy Paws. Here are the pros. Healthy Paws gives you unlimited lifetime benefits. That means no caps at all. They can reimburse you up to 90% of your vet bills. They're backed by Chubb, which is one of the largest insurance companies in the world. That means Healthy Paws has strong financial stability and reliability to pay out claims. Claims are processed quickly, usually in about 2 days, and they cover hereditary and chronic conditions. For example, if your dog is born with a hip problem or later develops diabetes, these are considered hereditary or chronic issues, and Healthy Paws will still help cover the cost of treatment. Now here are the cons. Healthy Paws does not have wellness or preventative care add-ons, and premiums tend to rise as your pet gets older, but this is pretty typical among almost all pet insurance companies. For example, a puppy might cost around $35 a month to insure, while the same dog at age 10 could cost over $90 a month. The average cost for Healthy Paws is often between $45 and $60 per month for dogs, and around $25 to $35 per month for cats. Now let's talk about ASPCA. Here are the pros. ASPCA covers accidents, illnesses, exam fees, hereditary issues, and even behavioral problems. They include dental illnesses and alternative therapies. Plans are also customizable to your needs. For example, if you want cheaper monthly payments, you could pick a higher deductible. If you want peace of mind that almost everything will be covered, you could pick a higher reimbursement rate and a higher coverage limit. You get a 10% discount if you have multiple pets, and they're also one of the few providers that covers horses. Now here are the cons. If you want unlimited coverage, you have to call them for a quote, which can range anywhere from $80 to $120 per month for dogs, depending on the breed and age. The average cost of ASPCA is around $53 a month for comprehensive coverage with add-ons available. Moving on, we have Progressive. Here are the pros. They cover accidents, illnesses, surgeries, and hospital stays. Their plans are flexible with reimbursement options up to 90%. You also get access to a 24/7 vet hotline, and you can bundle with your auto or home insurance for convenience. And in some cases, bundling can also qualify you for a small discount. They also offer a vet direct pay option through Pets Best, which means in some cases, you don't have to pay the full bill up front. Now here are the cons. Bundling discounts are not always guaranteed. Coverage can vary depending on which state you live in, and unlike competitors, they currently don't offer wellness or preventative care add-ons. The average cost for Progressive is around $40 to $60 per month, depending on your plan. Progressive is a great fit for people who already have auto or home insurance with them and just want to keep everything under the same roof. It's also a good option if you like the flexibility of customizing reimbursement rates and deductibles while still having the backing of a big, well-known insurance company. Finally, let's look at Pumpkin. Here are the pros. Pumpkin covers accidents, illnesses, and even routine care. Coverage limits range from $5,000 to unlimited, and you get a 10% discount if you insure multiple pets. They recently launched Pumpkin Now, a feature that can pay vets directly for urgent care, so you don't have to front the full cost. Now here are the cons. Their monthly premiums are higher compared to budget options, and preventative coverage is only included if you add it as an add-on. The average cost for Pumpkin is around $50 to $70 per month, depending on your coverage level. Pumpkin is a great fit for pet owners who want a simple plan with no breed or age restrictions, and for those who like the security of having direct pay available in case of emergencies. Before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to help you save money with pet insurance. Sign up when your pets are young. Premiums are lower and pre-existing conditions don't apply yet. Pick a higher deductible to cut monthly costs. Use multi-pet discounts. Always check waiting periods and exclusions. For breeds with well-known health issues like French Bulldogs or Dachshunds, get insurance as early as possible. If upfront costs worry you, look for a provider that pays the vet directly. Check if your auto or home insurer offers a pet insurance bundle. Keep coverage maintainable. Don't go for a plan that's too expensive long term. Read the fine print carefully. Some companies have per condition deductibles, yearly caps, or waiting periods for surgeries like orthopedic care. So here's the bottom line. The best plan is the one that fits your budget and your pet's needs. I'll leave links down below for all these pet insurance companies so you can compare and see which one is best for you. And again, I highly recommend that you don't wait until you're facing the huge vet bill. By getting the right pet insurance for you, you can protect your pet and your wallet in the future. And let me know in the comments, what pet insurance do you recommend and what's the most you've ever paid at the vet?